In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML, CSS, and scripts in Thinkific. First, open Thinkific and sign into your account. Once you're in, there are two different ways to add custom code, depending on whether you want it to appear on just one page or across your entire site. If you only want to customize a single page, go to the admin dashboard and click Channels. From there, select Website, then open the page you want to edit in the Site Builder. Click Add Section and choose Text and Media. After the new section appears, select it to open its settings. In the Text Editor toolbar, click the Code View button. This lets you work directly with the page's code instead of the visual editor. Paste your HTML code into the editor. If you also want to add custom CSS for that specific page, place the CSS inside style tags above your HTML code. Keeping the CSS in style tags helps Thinkific recognize it properly on that page. When you're done, click the Code View button again to switch back to the visual editor. It's a good idea to preview the page at this point so you can confirm that everything looks the way you expect. If it does, click Save to apply your changes. If you want your custom code to affect your entire Thinkific site, go back to the admin dashboard. Click Settings, then select Code and Analytics. In this area, you'll find the site header code and site footer code sections. Paste your custom scripts into the appropriate field. If you're adding site-wide CSS, make sure it's wrapped inside style tags before you paste it in. Before saving, review your code carefully to catch any errors, since even a small mistake can affect how your site loads or displays. Then click Save to apply the changes. Finally, open your website in a new browser tab and refresh the page to verify that your HTML, CSS, or scripts are working correctly across your Thinkific site.